Hello, I'm Grant Sutherland with Ishida and Rice Lake Retail Solutions. Did you know a trained and experienced employee wrapping by hand under the best conditions with a manual hand wrapping station can achieve approximately 4 to 8 finished packages per minute? They might get interrupted a few times, or stop to untangle some ruffled film, or have to rewrap one tray that wasn't quite right, or possibly use different amounts of film from one package to another. Then it's off to a second station where each package is handled again for weighing and labeling. And even after all of this, when each package is stacked neatly in its display case, each one still looks, at best, hand-wrapped. So what alternative device could achieve a consistent, quality result while enhancing product appearance and saleability? What kind of a device could improve operator speed, efficiency, accuracy, and boost sales all at once? What could do all of this in the same amount of space as that manual hand wrap station without breaking the bank? The Ishida WM Nano Wrapper is currently the only automatic wrapper on the market that's compact and affordable enough for all grocers and retailers. At just 28 inches wide, 34 inches deep, and 28 inches high, it's a unique concept. A tabletop automatic wrapper with an integrated scale base and printer, offering all of the benefits and features of a full-size automatic machine at a modest and attainable price tag. It's really not hard to see why the WM Nano, the world's first tabletop-sized automatic wrapper, was one of the top 10 most innovative products at Canada's 2011 Grocery Showcase West. Until now, there's been little middle ground in terms of quality wrapping equipment. Retailers could choose between a variety of slow, manual hand wrap systems, prone to inefficiencies, operator fatigue, and a less than perfect outcome, or the large room-sized automatic machines requiring a major investment in capital, floor space, and maintenance. In this new age of the WM Nano, retailers no longer have to sacrifice that floor space or make a huge investment to gain productivity. The WM Nano Wrapper boosts output as high as 15 packages per minute, all while eliminating the possibility of sore muscles, repetitive motion injuries, and wasted packing material. Achieving the same attractive quality wrap each and every time, regardless of the operator, is a benefit that can be appreciated in more ways than one. Not only do automatic wrappers use less film per package, auto wrap packaging looks better. It's also a fact that packaging appearance has a direct impact on sales. So when quality product is presented in quality packaging and that improved appearance starts to move product faster, the WM Nano will have no problem at all keeping cases and shelves fully stocked. It's fully constructed of stainless steel, weighs around 200 pounds, and takes up just 6.4 square feet. For easy placement, the WM Nano is small enough to be placed on a countertop, table, or can be used on the optional freestanding stainless steel stand. For operator safety, all of the doors on the wrapper have an interlock design that will stop the machine during operation if opened. The WM Nano handles various film roll widths ranging from 15 inches to 22 inches wide, providing a broad range of package wrapping capability. The wrapping cavity is heated. By preheating the film, you will receive a consistent professional wrap every time. This is the infeed of the wrapper, where the product is placed. Integrated into the infeed is a 30-pound capacity dual-range scale connected to the Uni 7 printer, which means that from 0 to 15 pounds it weighs by 0.005 or 5/1000ths of a pound, and from 15 to 30 pounds the scale automatically switches to 0.01 or 1/100th of a pound. Dual range weighing allows you to program finer tare weights on your trays, and that increases your profitability. The WM Nano has over 4 inches of clearance between the infeed and exit, allowing taller packages to enter the wrapper with ease. With the open architecture of the wrapper, the lift is easily removable for cleaning. To simplify cleanup, the infeed is equipped with a removable catch tray. For operator safety, the infeed cavity is protected by photo sensors so that if a hand enters this area of the wrapper during operation, the wrapper will stop. The trays are fed onto the lift mechanism that is driven by a 220-volt AC single-phase motor, delivering the ability to lift and wrap 7.5-pound packages with minimal energy consumption. After the package is weighed and wrapped, it transfers over the heated sealing bar to complete the wrapping process. The label is manually applied and placed on the package by the operator. The label cassette can also be easily reloaded and used interchangeable with other Uni 7 scales. On top of the wrapper is its controller, the Uni 7 price computing scale with printer. Using this device, the WM Nano brings the same user interface right from the front counter to the back room, where operators won't have to learn a second type of equipment. For those unfamiliar with the Uni 7, it showcases a full-color, 7-inch customizable touchscreen that can be programmed to display PLUs, categories, trays, tare weights, wrapper adjustments, and other settings. Operators appreciate the touchscreen's positive input response, improving their sense of when each button is pressed. The Uni 7 was engineered for peak efficiency in every retail environment, from the quick change front-loading label cassette to Ethernet and wireless communications and compatibility with third-party programs. When considering a price computing scale that was up to the task of powering the world's first tabletop automatic wrapper, Uni 7 had to be it. To begin wrapping, the operator simply selects the category key on the touchscreen and chooses the PLU. Or the operator can enter the PLU number directly on the tactile keys and press the PLU button. In my example, I'm going to wrap bell peppers. I can either press bell peppers directly on the touchscreen, or I can enter the PLU for bell peppers and touch PLU. The tray sizes are pre-programmed within the PLUs, but should you decide to use a different tray, you can simply select a different tray size from the screen. If I press tray, I can choose my 4 pp tray. Once I place the package on the infeed, it will be weighed and the conveyor will take the package to the lift, where the package will be lifted as the film is stretched over the package and the package is wrapped. The lift is driven by a 220-volt AC single-phase motor that provides the ability to lift and wrap up to 7.5-pound packages with minimal energy consumption. To finish the wrap cycle, I'll press PLU. The WM Nano has additional modes of operation. Wrap only for overwrapping of trays or for wrapping trays that will be labeled at a future time. Wrap and print, which is the default, or print only for trays that have been pre-wrapped or oversized items that require a weight label. With the dual range scale, the WM Nano allows you to set finer tare weights, because from 0 to 15 pounds, you're actually weighing by 5/1000ths of a pound. From 15 to 30, the scale automatically switches to 100. A traditional single range scale weighs by 1/100th of a pound through the entire weighing range. The WM Nano also supports country of origin labeling. By default, the PLUs can be programmed for the country of origin, or you have the ability to override it as you go. The WM Nano fully supports meat nutrition labeling requirements, which will go into effect January of 2012. The Ashita WM Nano Wrapper is giving Main Street a chance to compete. The very best products, made by hand, wrapped in a way that can only enhance the product that's inside. Add to that the growing list of other benefits: improved efficiency and reduced waste, reduced risk of operator fatigue and injury, having the latest in weighing, labeling, and wrapping technology, all at an affordable price tag, and the ability to grow sales volume, all while keeping up with that demand. Is there any reason not to have a WM Nano? We don't think so. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please see the contact information on the following screen.